Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice with adjectives. Remember that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjective 1, slow.
Slow means to move at a low speed.
Now have a look at the picture of the snail. Sentence 1, it is a snail. So now we know what it is. It is a snail. Sentence 2, it is slow. Now that word slow is the adjective because it is describing the snail, which is the noun. And in this sentence, it will be the noun because we know that it is the snail. Sentence 3. It is a slow snail. Now we have the word snail, which is the noun, and the word slow describes that noun. Slow is the adjective. Next, fast. Fast means to move at a high speed. So have a look at the picture of the lion. Sentence 1, it is a lion. So now we know that the word it is a lion. Sentence 2, it is fast. Now we know that the word it is the lion, so that's the noun, and the word fast describes that noun. So fast is the adjective. Sentence 3, it is a fast lion. So we have the word fast, which is describing the noun. It's describing the lion. Let's have a look at another example. Here we have the adjective big. It is an elephant. Now we know what this is. It is big. We know that it is the elephant and big describes the noun, so big is the adjective. It is a big elephant. The word big describes the noun, so big is the adjective. Excellent job with adjectives. Well done. Goodbye.